हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड्स है हमारा एक्सिस टेक्नोलॉजी ETF जी ग्रोथ। एक्सिस टेक्नोलॉजी ETF ग्रोथ फंड, इस फंड को आपको बाय करना है। लेट्स मूव। एक्सिस टेक्नोलॉजी ETF ग्रोथ, NAV नेट असेट वैल्यू 367.9790 रुपीज़। फंड की हाइलाइट्स। The current net asset value of the Axis Technology ETF as of 12 November 2021 is rupees 367.9790 for growth option of its regular plan. Its trailing returns over different time periods are 40.34% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 72.61% first year, 38.24% 3 years, and 31.67% 5 years. Various category returns for the same time duration are 72.61% first year, 38.24% 3 years, and 31.67% 5 years. The Axis Technology ETF currently holds asset under management of rupees 23.33 crore as on September 30, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.22% for regular plan as on September 30, 2021. The given fund doesn't attract any exit load. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment rupees 0 and minimum SIP investment is rupees 0. Things you should consider: riskometer. Annual returns for the last 3 years 42.23%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range 1 month high low 348.248, 374.168. 52-week low high 255.082, 374.168. Asset allocation, investment growth. Equity 99.55, debt 0.05, others 0.40. Equity, debt, others. Current versus state allocation. Enter investment amount, investment growth rupees 1,000. Axis Technology ETF 4,000, 2,000. Top 5 here comparison. Franklin India Technology Fund growth. First year return 55.23%, 3 years return 33.36%, and then next Tata Digital India Fund regular growth. First year return 91.87%, 3 years return 40.09%. Top 5 year comparison. About fund, Axis Technology ETF is open-ended sectoral technology equity scheme which belong to Axis Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on March 25, 2021. Investment objective and benchmark, asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implication. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that the scheme seeks to provide returns before expense that closely correspond to the total returns of the Nifty IT index subject to tracking errors. It is a benchmark against Nifty IT total return index. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. The asset allocation of the fund comparison around 99.77% in equities, 0.03% in debt, and 0.2% in cash and cash equivalents, while the top 10 equity holdings constitute around the 99.77% of the asset. The top 3 sectors constitute around 99.77% of the asset. The fund largely follows a growth-oriented style of investing and investors across market capitalizations, around 97.45% in giant and large cap companies, 2.25% in mid-cap and 0.0% in small-cap companies. Tax implications. Gains are taxed at a rate of 15%. Short-term capital gain tax STCG if units are redeemed within first year of investment. For units redeemed after 1 year of investment, gains up to rupees 1 lakh occurring for those units in a financial year shall be exempted from tax. Exempted from tax. Gains of more than rupees 1 lakh will be taxed at a rate of 10%. Long-term capital gain tax LTCG. For dividend distribution tax, the dividend income from this fund will get added to the income of an investor and tax according to his or respective tax slabs. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।